Step-by-step guide to building a tent. The middle slider connector, 2 openings, for every perimeter pipe. The connector with 5 openings, installed on the 4 corners of the octagonal tent where the tunnel starts. The connector with 4 openings is placed in the 4 corners of the main tent which is not connected with the tunnel. This is the apex connector, it lies on the top of the main tent. This is how we are connecting the perimeter pipes with the help of connector, 5 opening, and a middle slider. This is how we are connecting the perimeter pipes with the help of connector, 4 opening, and a middle slider. This shows the complete perimeter of the frame. These are the split pipes, which will join together to make the slope pipe. This is how the slope pipe joins together to make one complete big slope pole. This shows that we need to connect the slope pipe with the corner connector and the apex connector. All the slope pipes are now connected with the apex connector. Installation of the tunnel frame pipes. The inner black fabric installation is seen in the video. Now place the outer canvas on the top of the tunnel frame. Now install the inner black lining of the tunnel tent. Now place the outer canvas on the top of the tunnel frame. After this, the tent slope will look like this. Now, after putting all the standing poles, add the walls. Now the whole tent is complete.